Hey everybody, it's Walter here of Coastal Caterers. In this video, I'm going to discuss what is the easiest way to cook shrimp. A viewer asked this question, and cooking shrimp in general is pretty easy, and there are basically 4 ways to cook shrimp. And I'm going to go over those ways and talk about why one way I believe is the easiest way to cook shrimp. Now, the first way we want to cook shrimp that I want to go over is grilling shrimp. Now, grilling shrimp is easy, but you just have to peel the shrimp down, at least to the tail. Then you got to fire up the grill, then you got to clean the grill when you're finished. And it's not a big deal, but there's just some things to think about when you're grilling shrimp. Now, sauteing is another way to cook shrimp, and sauteing also is relatively easy, but you have to peel the shrimp, once again, at least down to the tail, and then you have to clean the saute pan, which sometimes can be pretty dirty, especially if you're blackening the shrimp. So we also have videos on sauteing and blackening shrimp if you want to check those out. And also, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to our channel yet or give this video a like, we'd appreciate that. Now, the third way of cooking shrimp is deep frying, and that's a great way to prepare shrimp. And it has a couple of setbacks, which is going to be, of course, that you have to get out the oil, you got to get the oil hot, you have to make the seafood breader, you got to make an egg wash to bread the shrimp before you fry them. And that's a little messy to clean up, but once again, that's a delicious way to prepare shrimp, is deep frying them. And just think about the cleanup really with the deep frying. So now, what I feel is the easiest way to cook shrimp is boiling shrimp. And the reason why I think this is because you don't have to peel the shrimp before you cook them. And also, the only thing you have to clean is a pot that's had water in it. So I also like to serve the boiled shrimp warm as opposed to chilled, but either way is fine. Cocktail sauce is a great condiment for boiled shrimp. We have a video on making cocktail sauce if you want to check that out. Also, melted butter with a little minced garlic is a great way to serve them. Remember, cooking shrimp is easy, however you want to make them. This is just why I think boiling shrimp is the easiest way. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.